Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to earn money by using Steam Point. So in a simple word, you cannot earn money, but having your Steam Point, so you can use it in a different way, so it will save your money. So let's go. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, now if you just go to the coin shop, you will see a lot of things. I always don't recommend it to buy those things. So now go to your on the left and go to your seasonal. There will be an option of seasonal pages. Okay, go to the seasonal pages. Will be changing once in a while. So just buy any of them. So if you see like once if you have buy this one then the 40 level, so you will be getting then see you will be getting level up badges, increase your XP and Steam level. So this will help you to increase your booster level. So one thing you will be able to is if you increase your XP and Steam level. So increasing your Steam level will help you to get some free Steam booster. So I mean sorry, game booster. So which definitely cost you around some money. So increasing Steam level and XP by purchasing those, this will help you to save those money and you can purchase those products free. So this was the video. I hope you guys understand what I am trying to say and I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching the video.